for a Lambo. Now I'm riding with the team, money piling from the meme, now I'm shining on the screen. I turn into a giant on the scene, no DDP, but check the diamonds in the ring. That boy bragging about the jewelry. Sorry if I'm flashy, but the fashion kinda new to me. I'm killing every other meme brutally, and truthfully, compassion for the fam ain't what it used to be. Look, Peppy taught me everything, like how to make it to the Reddit page. I started from the swamp and now I'm hella paid. Just bought a new loft in the Everglades.
There go that boy, I hope you know your friends and family love you. It's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home. There go that boy, I hope you know your friends and family love you. It's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home. Guess you resented me when I got famous. Blowing up on Tumblr, the response was so insane. It always made you jealous every time you saw my face. On Nikki's Instagram, I saw you turn a greener shade. Hey, but I always wrote you back. I came home every Christmas on those fireflies with snacks. Sitting by the pond, you wouldn't even look my way. Just know that Peppy's here for you, that love will never change.
You used to be the biggest on the scene, and I was jealous you were living up the dream. And Pops never did enough for me, cause he got a little buzz just for sipping on his tea. I know we both really need improvement. We were so close back when we were 2 kids. Still got love, that's what the truth is. So I'ma pop up at the family reunion.
There go that boy, I hope you know your friends and family love you. It's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home. There go that boy, I hope you know your friends and family love you. It's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home.
Nice job, AJ buys. Very nice. Very, very nice. Nice job, AJ buys. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Dopo nopo papa dippers. We live this, we don't even think. Go bonkers. Go bonkers. Trini, swag, sipping on a sag. Chilling with the centerfold from the Scotch mat. She said she want that, I told her put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Go bonkers. Girls, close the doors. Up, down, get that on the floor. Go bonkers. Go bonkers. I'm just a fly guy, living such a fly guy lifestyle. Girls gone wild, looking right for the limelight. In the nightlight, all these girls looking real fine. Their eyes on me, got their heart beating double time. Ladies on the bar, more drinks on the way. Party like a rock star, cause that's the only way. Go bonkers. Go bonkers. Fast life. Rose, no ice. Full speed. Only one life. Go bonkers. Bring us a rock. Drinking from the bottle like a cup. Till the sun come up. Partying cause we don't give up. Cause the club just stop rocking me up and I'm stopping and big tunes just dropping and bottle just popping. I never stop topping at all. Just be party like a rock star. Go bonkers. You put dope on dope on papa tippers. Go bonkers. Go bonkers. Trini, swag, sipping on a stag, chilling with the centerfold from the Scotch Mac. She says she want doctor, told her put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Go bonkers.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Did you get a Discord update? Bro, it didn't let me open anything. Yeah, like my whole thing crashed. It took me forever to get into Zoom. What is going on, chat? What is everybody looking at? Yo, yo. UG also looks good for a buy, broke above previous 4-hour resistance. UG. Oh, UG is flying. Yeah. Well, for Asian, I'm gonna GG buy right now, but I want to get out of it. GG buy. I want to get out of it though. Yeah, it's like it can continue, but I don't like where I got in. It's just near the top. You get what I mean? Wait, where? Let me pull up Zoom. Where? I wasn't at the charts. I just popped up charts. I got in at the break of the 30-minute high. Yeah.
What up, Edgar? Hello. How's it going?
I think he has a chance to continue because based off the 4-hour, there's 45 minutes left, and the 4-hour broke the lows, everything, and then pulled back up. With that in hand, I think it can continue up. Not the best entry that I've ever done. Maybe even on the bad side. Once it hits 1-to-1, I'm gonna just close.
What up, NJ? Yeah, we killed it today. We had 2 dubs back to back, and then second, and then another dub after that. All 4 games in a row. Yeah, everything kind of moved already. Plus, I'm just still not convinced Asian is ready for trades. Yo, what up, Rasta? How's it going, bro? Sounds like you need to get on the squad, NJ. It's some dub.
I need like 2.5 more pips, and I just want to close this trade. No, I have my stop loss 6.7 pips. It's just under a 30-minute low. Sorry about that, bros. People, I just got people coming into my room. You're saying just go break even or just secure? I just secured. I was just under 1-to-1, but I didn't like the position I was in, so I just secured. I think I was a pip short of 1-to-1. I shouldn't have taken that trade. I don't know why. I kind of got. I was like, "Fuck!" It's right. Oh, sorry about swearing. I was like, "It's right there." Maybe he might continue breaking, so I just give under 1-to-1. I'll be right back. I gotta move a couple cars.
Yep. Looking at gold gives you anxiety. Ouch. Yeah. Don't look like
That
no
was
fun.
wild this morning.
What's up?
That was wild this morning.
Oh yeah, every pair did this though.
Yeah, man, that was 9:10 Eastern, dude. That thing was going. US 30 was going.
Yeah, there was no chance of taking a trade during that shit.
Unless, of course, you've got magic keys.
No. Magic keys or not, you can't trade. The 369 pip candle. Yeah, can't trade that.
No, in and out, 45 seconds.
Wow. Literally. Alright, Rasta, I'll pull this up. Ooh, nice. That was a good one. Got in again on it. That was a good one right there. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm back. Good call on the just getting out of the trade. Like he's just chilling here.
I said go break even and just let it do its thing. That's a nice trade, Rasta. Very nice.
Depending on the way that this 4 hour closes, I'm waiting for some sort of retest possibly to continue going up.
I don't think that's gonna happen in Asian. We're just gonna range around in here, I believe.
Not retest or just take a higher low.
Mm.
Always wanted this kind of outro. Wishing I could go back and tell everything I now know to a younger me. Looking up at 23, filled up with anxiety to overcome what's underneath and let him know he onto something, but he got some problems coming. You'll feel like you need a lot, but you'll act like you're wanting nothing. It's like you're paralyzed, can't move cause you're terrified. Mind inside a paradigm where you don't even dare to try. So you just lay at night, wide awake with grandeurs of a way of life.
Oh, are you talking right now? I can't hear you on Zoom.
You open those ungrateful eyes, it's kinda like your place to hide. So instead,
I was like, bro.
say to do. You'll get a corporate job and make 100K out of school. The music still be working at it with your far from perfect habits. I wish that I could tell you that everything will be fine. but I'm not really sure I'm qualified to because I thought I'd know what to say by now. And honestly, I thought
Yeah, that would have been a nice entry from the bottom. There, GJ. Perfect.
Yeah.
I just don't know what it, like I wasn't there at the, during the day, and I don't know what the spreads were. That's the only thing. I think spreads would have been the underlying issue.
So this is the 7 to 8, 6 to 7, 5 to 6.
Yeah, so it's spreads
Could have
would
got
have
in
been
on
nice.
this one right at 5.
I think spreads still would have been kind of.
Not at 5. They drop at 5, yeah.
Mm.
I mean, any bullish candle down here would have worked. EJ's moving well. Yeah.
I think. I was gonna say, I think anybody that is holding GG, depending on where you got in and like what your risk reward is, their Forex coming to close in a couple of, like 30 minutes. Is right near a resistance, and sometimes near 4 open, it does kind of wonky stuff. It can continue, but sometimes it does kind of wonky stuff.
I couldn't keep blaming life for problems, cause I know it's me. The root of all these issues is the lack of all my actions. Tired of feeling like I'm not committed to my passions. And as the tears flow, I had a moment of clarity, feeling like I'm finally hearing all the things I would say to me, like I'm begging you to cut the axe, then the annex. It isn't any kind of magic, ain't no rabbit and hat trick. It's just maximum.
EJ, would you look at a buy if we'll say retest this also the daily resistance and 30-minute right here to go back up?
Possibly.
Sneering man, just walk around with absolutely no need for air and lungs. In Old Testament, back to times when Noah would pair him up. So please just for a minute put a hold on the snare and drums. Give me a moment to share the love. And if you're over it, fair enough. Just let me know now. Do you really want the gold or are you here for fun? Cause if it's the latter, I'll happily end the banter. You can get on that plane and live happily ever after. But I saw the way you got up this morning. You haven't smiled since you stopped.
Would you ever do this for? I know you've done it in the past, but I'm not sure if you would take the risk in Asian to kind of quickly scalp it back down to the retest.
That's what I'm thinking about.
Because that's like there's a zone that you can target, and then the stop loss doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look, but what is it? Yeah, over 1 to 2. Or you just at 1 to 2.
Give it up and move on. Pack your bags and put your suit on.
GJ's pulling back too.
Yeah, thank God I got out of that. I didn't like my entry. I don't know why I took it. It was just a dumb trade.
I just wanna love me as much as you love me. I just wanna love me as much.
Listen, I think if somebody is in a GJ buy here, I think it's a good area to get out.
What up, John? How's it going, bro?
I just wanna love me as much as you love me. I just wanna love me as much as you love me. As much as you love me. I know the sun gon' shine in the morning, but I just wanna love me as much as you love me. I just wanna love me as much as you love me. As much as you love me. I know the sun gon' shine in the morning, but I just wanna love me as much as you love me. I just wanna love me as much as you love me. As much
Kind of feeling this AJ, possible AJ sell with you here. I just hope it doesn't get any bigger.
I think we'll come back into the range.
I just don't want it to get any bigger. As I said, you got a bit bigger. Sometimes, man. Sometimes you just need to calm down. Possibly trying to get in the top wick of something. Ooh, Gigi's doing the exact same thing. Yuji just dropping down like hellfire. Not like hellfire, but like just slowly dropping down. Which has a better reward to risk? GG or AJ? So it's 9 for, oh, so AJ I think so has it. It doesn't come down any further.
They both look good. See if this will continue.
Waiting to get in still at near this top wick.
Kind of just expecting this ranges and goes back into the range. We'll see.
I just took my entry on the top wick right now.
Nice. Yeah, I wish I could have gotten a little higher, but
Really, you want to keep going further? Come on. Thought I got a nice entry, but no, could have got a better one.
yeah, I did lower risk too, just hesitation, but
Makes sense, makes sense.
yeah, I'm expecting us to just come back in the range.
I agree with what you're thinking here. At least to, what is this? 1 second. The top of this resistance here. I think for me it's more that would be 1-to-1 for me.
Yeah, right around there.
So that's where I'm securing 1-to-1.
What up, Nick? What up, Neptune? Hello, hello.
A lot of people are seeing that. Josh was like, this month went extremely well once I stopped giving my profits to Gigi during Asian.
Same.
I think, yeah, I think a lot of people can agree to that.
Absolutely.
My whole month kind of turned around because of that.
Same.
Even though the art of the ninja is far more sophisticated than just martial arts, students start with simple climbing techniques and handling standard weapons. The ninja also developed ninjutsu, the art of the ninja.
If you want to wait for it to flip, go ahead. I'm just trying to maximize the risk to reward. Damn, watch today be the day it just moves.
Continues in the actual direction like it's supposed to do, but it never does in Asian.
Yeah.
But today's the day it does.
Yep, today will be the day.
For me, it's okay because I'm just playing with the profits I shouldn't have had.
Oh, on that GJ?
Yeah, like I should not even taken trades, so I'm just playing with those profits.
Gotcha.
So if it hits, it looks like I'm not even here. I wasn't even here.
Weren't even there.
I agree with the trade, but why not? Oh, you already answered that.
Yep. Yep, just anticipating that we continue ranging, and this being the high that the daily makes for now, and we come back down for a little bit.
This also has no bottom wick, yeah. So the fact that it's climbing this high, I think it's going to continue. It's going to come back down to at least create the bottom wick. But you never know. Markets do whatever they want.
Yeah, you'd think it should. I wouldn't expect Asian to have the kind of volume to just have no bottom wick and keep driving, but never know. What did GJ do? Oh, kind of closed. Weak little bearish candle.
I'm almost crazy right now that I want to add a position to this.
Watch the 5 minute. See if it forms a lower high.
No, I'm just let this play out. Bro, god damn, you chugging the water. Nah, I agree. Water is like the best taste. Yeah, is that a word? Tastiest thing, best tasteful thing. You know what I mean?
If you add flavor, it's kind of tasty, but water itself,
No, when you're like thirsty and your mouth is
I don't
so
know, bro.
dry. Nah. Nothing can beat water.
I don't know, man.
Why what do you add to yours? You add flavors? Like the Mio drink or Mio's thing?
Yeah, like sugar-free crystal light and then aminos, like BCAs. Stuff like that, you know?
Do you ever drink like lemon water or whatever? Like, you know, people cut lemon or cucumber.
Yeah,
and all this.
no, I'm not weird. I don't do that shit. No,
Me-
thank you.
I'm not a big fan of that myself. I think just normal water is better than like lemon water. But I heard it's good for you. Like, I heard it's really good for you.
What do I think about going short on EJ? Yeah, maybe if you break the low here, you can take it back to the bottom of the range. Kind of the same idea I'm looking at on AJ, just kind of expecting we range. So this is my oof. This is what I'm expecting to be in the top of our range, and we come back into the bottom of it.
Sorry, I know this is a bit off topic, but Christopher's like, Dasani's the nastiest. I totally agree with you. I don't know why that's a brand of water. How do they make money, bro? How do they make money? Do you guys have Dasani over there? You guys know what Dasani is?
Yeah, we do.
Oh,
It's you know, it's meh. It's meh.
nah. I would like I would spend extra couple of dollars on like Fiji water, smart water than that.
Yeah, I feel that. That's really Fiji's noise.
uh, oh, is that why it tastes like different, Christopher? Because it's too purified, like the acidity level is like, or something like that, perfect or something. What's up with GJ? Ain't nobody looking at GJ. We on AJ right now, boy. Get it right.
Get it right, get it tight. Damn, should have added positions, boy.
It's all right, man. It's all right. I got more than I asked already today. I don't push my luck too much.
Yeah, hoping we can catch this dub on here.
I'm securing right at the top of the zone. I think that's a safe area to secure.
You think so?
Yeah, because I don't like how much like what if this today is the day it does the retesting, it continues further up. And I don't like these what ifs for myself.
What if we do this?
Dead ass. That'd be a lifetime. I want to trade for the rest of the month. I just wanted to get to my target there and then I'm out.
My mind is a bit of a museum. Art everywhere, you might stop and stare if you could see them. Lucky for me though, you probably never will. They're not exactly painful, but still. I've tried so many times to pry the parchment down with careful fingers, and that's when I see it. Tiny cracks in the artwork, the starts of tears.
5 minutes kind of ranging.
It's fitting for a haunted house to have art that's beautifully tragic.
Oh, 5 minutes. 4 hours closing, 15 minutes. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it drops down a little bit further. It's target, call it a night, and stream right there.
Yep. Hopefully this 30 man can pull back a little bit more.
I got a feeling, and my feeling says it's gonna do this. This is my feeling. Boom, wick down here, not a body close, and boom.
Why would you say that?
I just got a feeling. Got superpowers. Or, because there's also or, so it came up. Boom, 4 hours gonna open, dip a little further down, somewhere like in this middle of this range, I would say, possibly to this, and go boom. Or no, I'm joking. I was gonna
That's
just
enough.
list off.
That's enough from you.
I know. I was gonna list off all the possibilities and be like,
That's
look, I'm
enough
not
from
gonna
you.
be wrong.
We can hit 10 pips. That would be Gucci.
That 5 minutes is about to crack.
Yeah, it's looking, it's trying to crack that low.
If this the ultimate like, oh no, this, well, I'm
Yo,
looking around.
what up, Captain Price? How's it going, bro?
Oh, he joined live stream.
Yeah, I met him on
Yeah, I
on
know.
COD, and he subscribed.
We
What up,
played
Drew?
with him. Captain Price, try to guess my COD name. you know who I am. I'm the legend, the Kiridi mans.
The lowest man in the lobby every game.
Nah, not anymore. You can't even say that. That's cap. That's straight cap. I'm on a whole nother level these days. You even know
I
that.
mean, your callouts are very, very subpar.
But my gun skill, like I can catch my I can grab my kills now.
Bro, if you could just
Each
call
time.
out, I would have many less heart attacks every day.
It's improvement, bro. It's improvement. I couldn't even get over
Damn.
1,000 damage before. Now I'm getting like 1,500, 2K each match.
Funded trader, send a chart, please. I don't look at that pair.
Captain Price, you gonna start trading now? Come on, hop on this.
Yeah, I'm hoping we correct this whole candle.
Oh, sorry. His name my target. I was like, bro. I need 2 more pips. 3 more pips. Remember, I got in like up top here. I'm just need to put it up again. I am down 4.9, so I need 3 more pips now. Don't go back up. Why are you playing my games with me? Come on, just create the bottom wick first. Come on, 15 minutes. Don't do me like that. You gotta sweet talk the chart these days to get your pips, bro. Just asking for too much.
Oh, it's a new 15 already. Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna create the top wick first.
Yeah. I'm kind of hoping before this 4-hour close, we can finish this 5 minutes of clean traffic right here. That would be dandy.
Our top story tonight, a herd of zombie dinosaurs is loose in San Francisco, causing more damage and destruction than the city has ever seen.
Can you go through the thought? I cannot talk, bro. I cannot talk at all. Okay,
Thought behind the trade
I think the thought process.
was just expecting Asian to come back in the range, and this to just be kind of the Asian Open, just volume coming in. We burst it up, form resistance, so we'll sell it from resistance back into the range. Is kind of my idea.
For me, also, I think it's. I think even if Asian wants to continue, my target was this old resistance, so it will do the retest, and then the next idea with this is the 4 hours closing, and if you can quickly go on the 4 hour chart. Can you like zoom out like a little bit?
Things
Not even
pulling
that.
back pretty good.
Yeah, not even that. Can you zoom out a little bit? Like any 4 hour chart, just go on any 4 hour chart. I really don't care what 4 hour chart is. If you look at every single 4 hour chart, most of them never close at the highest price they have. They always drop back down. Let's just look at for all the 4 hours right now. We have 30 minutes left on the 4 hour, and usually it's gonna drop back down near the end. Because no price rarely closes with no top wick or anything like that.
I want us to just get to.
Oh, let's go. It's about it. Oh my God, really?
Was it right there?
Yeah, it like tapped it, but it didn't secure. Why?
5 minutes still. I want to see a little more. Like I said, I think we can correct down to here.
There you go. Come on, keep going down. Let me just secure. Come on, AJ. I'm sweet talking you. Come on, little girl. No, that came also wrong. No, that came also wrong. Nah.
Okay, Gers. Alright, Gers. Let's calm down, Gergie. Damn, if we would have gotten up here, that'd have been phenomenal. a little more. Damn, this thing is correcting hard.
And just like that, I secured my trade. I am done for Asian. I'll be right back.
Shot left to go get this Dasani water.
Oh, I just want to say this: the 5 minutes closing, and like, do you want to sit through another 5 minutes? What do you secure early right now at all or no? Oh, there it is.
Boom. There it is.
Oh, why did you take a sell there?
Bro,
Why?
the demo gods, they came to me and they said, if you want Monopoly money, take a sell. I was like, I love Monopoly, so I'm with it. Let's go. Wow, we won a trade. Amazing.
You know, I did 1.6% today in Asian.
Nice. I risked 450 and I made 429.
Oh, okay, right there. Yeah,
I'm good
that's
with that.
perfect. Yeah.
I'm good with that. Yeah, I got out right before a little retrace.
Yeah, that's a new 5 minute. But yeah, I hate when the candle's about to close and it's right there at your target.
I still think we're gonna come down to here, but I don't want to sit through an hourly top wick.
Yeah.
But I still think this is good to keep coming. I'm just Asian. We got something in Asian, so I'm gonna take it and be done. That's it. Beautiful. Right as we're about to end the stream, look at that. Perfect. Can't believe we caught a trade in Asian. It's been what? A month? Or one for one? Or 1 for 1 in 4 weeks?
Nice.
Yo, you know what would be really freaking funny? Gerjat or Andy. No, get that. That's not happening. That's not happening, Gerjat. So you can leave. You can just leave.
I'm gonna be on mute. Just
get out of here. Nobody wants you here. Just leave. If someone sent me a Monopoly board, that would probably be the funniest thing in the world. And then I can just like stack up some Monopoly money behind me. And that could be like my flex. What do you think?
I'm gonna buy you one of those Monopoly guy posters and put it on the wall behind you so it's just there every stream.
Yes, bro. That would literally be the hardest flex ever.
Yep.
I could just like, where's my...
I'll find one. I'll order for you. You know, you see those things they're advertising all over.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a table right here, and I'm just gonna stack up all this Monopoly money. I like that idea.
Yeah.
I think that would be
But not the big ones, like the small ones, like the $1.
The dollars and the $5, and just like bundle it up.
Don't even use the big ones.
And then every time we win or lose a trade, I'll just turn the fan on and blow the money all over. Lately, Thabo, I don't know how to say it, I'm sorry. But lately it's been a lot less trades. I've been really really patient with my trades and making sure I'm taking quality over quantity. But usually I do get 1 trade a day, sometimes 2. But lately, it's been like 3 to 4 a week. Sometimes I think last week I took 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 win. But it just hasn't mostly been me not getting up on time because I've just been exhausted for whatever reason. But then just nothing sets up in the NYSE London close that I like. So I just sit there and watch and don't take a trade. So been less lately, but usually I get 1 a day. Normally I don't trade Asian. I just kind of turn the stream on, do some charts. So kind of plan out for London. Speaking of, I think we can do that before we end this. So GJ coming down. So I think GJ is going to come back to the bottom of the range. We should hit this 140, 635 area again. I don't know if we're going to get lower. If we do, that's going to be a really nice runner, but it's Asian. If you got something, take it. Be happy with it. Come back in London or New York. But for we'll remark. I'll remark all this up, and then you guys can see how I do this, because I'm gonna be trading the London session on my own, not on stream, and this will be what I'm looking for. So daily, I think daily is good for a while. Okay, yeah. So maybe something there. See what's up here to the left, because this is all super clean.
Here we go. On a distant planet populated by another race lives a 6-pod cat who might slap you in the face. He's Gazorpazorp field and he wants
the daily there, and daily I just do the 3rd thickest one. Like we're kind of almost tapping this, but that's clean, so I'd rather go off of that. 4 hour. See if we can find anything. There we go. Now we got something fresh. 4 hour, and then we do the second one there. Alright, so those are kind of potential targets, maybe up to here. Maybe if we rally really hard up here, but I think this would be more realistic. But you never know. If London takes off and New York and NYSE all push, that could be wild. Alright, so most recent, kind of here. Also lines up over here, so we're going to use these bodies right here, right at the top, but I'm going to put the line across. So visually I know this was a solid level. We expected here. Here, looking like we're breaking above. We should come back, form support here. So if we come back here and we start forming support on like 30-minute and 1 hour, that would be good to come back and test whatever the high is on the current daily, whether this is the high, or if we push up and make a high up here and then pull back, that would make sense. If we get under here, which shouldn't, but if we do, next level would be there, and then maybe if we get below there, down to here. If that happens, we're just back in the range, and this was just kind of like a false breakout. But I think because we did finally break out, we are going to keep going. Go to the 1 hour. And then, so we got our 4 hour levels here. So we know these are 4 hour, and then now we're on the 1 hour, so this will be the last kind of zone that I will be looking at. And then 30 minutes, just entries. So let's blow it up, make it look perfect. We're perfectly on the bodies. Perfectly on the bodies again. There we go. Perfectly on the bodies. There we go. All right, so that is kind of what looking for. If we stay above here, next target looks like it will be up here. There might be something else before on the wire. I'm sure there is, but it's so far away. And daily is clean, so if we have volume, the daily should run through these little minor 30-minute, 1-hour levels. Because 4-hour is clean to here, so that if we have good volume, we should run through pretty smoothly. But like we got a little 1-hour level here, then maybe here. So and these are targets, so they don't need to be as perfect. Because I always like to get out a little bit before, but sometimes it'll push real close to it, and then it'll kind of pull back and then come back to it, and I just try to avoid that. Alright, so 4-hour closed. We're bearish here at resistance at the top. Ideally, we should fall back down to here. 30-minute bearish also. I think we're still good to fall into the range again, and then that's kind of what I would be looking at for coming into London. See how we move around these three areas. If we get under here, probably return back to here, which is going to be a really good buy area. So maybe a sell from here down to near these wicks, and then look to secure something, and then buys from here are going to be pretty good. Unless this support holds and we range in here till London, maybe catch a buy on this support here, or once we close above whatever resistance is made after London volume comes in, that would work to start moving up to here. And we got about 35 pips going up underneath here. I would say a safe 40, potential for like 55, 56. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at for GJ. Asian session will be in full swing as soon as the volume comes back. I'm gonna go over some things this weekend and see if it's worth it. Maybe we'll come on for 2 hours instead of just one. We'll do like maybe if it looks good at 5, maybe I'll be like, hey, we're gonna start early today, and we'll take pre-Asian trade and then be done and not do after open, or we'll come in after open and do like we did today.
I honestly think this 1 hour is like perfect. Like I know like that's just my opinion, but I think it's just like so like packed full. It's like we're not wasting time. We can get everything done, get a trade done and everything, and call it a day.
I agree. Yeah, we get right to the point. That's why I like it. We got questions, we plan, we don't get antsy and try and force a trade. We get in, we get out. I like it.
Maybe it's like starting 30 minutes earlier just in case, but like other than that, I don't like
yeah, I don't want to trade. If anything, I would do 5 central till open, but I wouldn't trade. I wouldn't sit and watch it 30 minutes before open. That's always been a waste of time, because that open candle, like look what the open candle did. Like yeah, maybe you caught a buy above there, but what was the point, you know? All right, so here is my UJ that I have marked up. Start down at the daily. So we got some. Did I do here? Is that on the 4 hour I marked that? Yes. Okay, makes sense. Let me label this. Four hour here. Looks like we got a little 4 hour support. Also 1 hour support. Solid. 1 hour. So got a 4 hour level, 1 hour level. Another little 1 hour level. Haven't really closed underneath, so gotta close under here to return here, but we did reject this 4 hour resistance. So ideally we should fall to kind of like 4 hour support, which would be down here. That would be ideal. But if we make support here, it might just kind of dwindle itself in here to London and then start moving, or it slowly inches up. I would just see where we close. If we respect support down here again, I think that would be a solid buy to go back up. Maybe hold into London. Or if London does hold support here or here, that would also be really good for buys looking at the 4 hour. Yep, so we got resistance. We held support here. And once we got this resistance, we came down. So price kind of did something like this. So came down. Oh, we can't even see that. Okay. So we came down, made a support, came up, broke it, and then we finally retested it, and we came down back to where this had support and this had resistance. Also a little minor support here, so this was a solid level across the board. Now we've broken above this area here, and that was previous resistance, also previous support, and then it turned resistance here. So now we could expect, now that we are above here, lots of arrows going on tonight, we could expect a return and then a retest of whatever high we create. That would be what I'm looking for on UJ based on the 4 hour. Alright, stream, gonna call it though. Our time is up. Got to trade an Asian for once. Kind of been chilling for a while, but got a quickie in, and we will be back in Asian next week. Asian, I am gone Wednesday, Thursday. So maybe we'll do Asian Monday, Tuesday. But
you're streaming tomorrow morning, right?
Yep, and NYSE will be up tomorrow morning, and NYSE will also be up Monday, Tuesday, and that's it. And then I'll be gone Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But if I'm looking at trades in the morning, I'll try and post on my story from the hotel room on kind of what I'm looking at, or post a picture of the chart with the zones marked up, and hopefully that'll be good enough for the end of the week. I mean, you got Vakil stream and Monty stream still, so I'm sure you guys are definitely in good hands. But I'm out. Thanks for coming. Like, subscribe, and I'll be back. Get the fuck out of here with that.
I'm telling you, it's gonna happen.
Gone.
It's gonna happen.
You're gone, Gurjat. You're gone. I stream. See you guys tomorrow.